So today I was thinking of what to cook, and I had some beef, cabbage and potatoes at home, and I decided to make this simple recipe, and of course I decided to share it with you. It is very simple, but the results are very tasty. The meat is very soft, the cabbages are tasty, the potatoes are crunchy, tasty, name it all. So first and foremost, you're going to boil the beef. Just add in salt and let it boil until it's cooked. I want it cooked and soft. While the meat is cooking and almost ready, just add in the potatoes. So I'm adding in the potatoes at this stage because I didn't want them to overboil with the meat. Just let them boil and not too soft, because we don't want them to break during the rest of the procedure that you are going to be going through. So right now you can see they're soft, but they're not breaking. Add some vegetable cooking oil in a pan. Get a pan that is large enough to contain both the potatoes and the meat. So I've just added them because the oil is now ready, and I'm going to fry them until they are brown and hard on top, especially for the potatoes, because I don't want them to break during the rest of the cooking process. We all like a nice cooked meal, especially one that won't take a lot of time, and of course a one pot meal. This is the one. I recommend it. Please try it out, and of course share your comments down below after trying it. It is very easy, and of course the results are 100% authentic. The potatoes and the meat have all started to brown, as you can see, but I want them really brown. I want them to have that crunchy taste and them to be hard before we add the cabbage to the pan, because cabbage has moisture in it. So if you add it now, the potatoes will mash. That is why you have to give them time to cook until they are fully brown. As you can see, they are brown and they are becoming hard on the top, and the meat has also browned. So you can now add in the cabbage, and I've added in half a medium-sized cabbage. The meat was 500 grams, and I used about 6 potatoes, which I cut into smaller sizes that could match my dish. So you're going to mix, and you should look at the way I'm mixing this. You mix from bottom to up. You don't just mix, because if you mix, you're going to spoil the dish. We want our potatoes to come out in whole. They have to be firm. So you mix from bottom to up. From bottom to up, the cabbages are going to produce some moisture, and of course we shall add in a little bit of the stock which came from our beef. I've just added in some onions for flavor, just a few onions, and we want our food to have more flavor. And then add in some tomatoes. They're also going to add on the moisture. We don't want the food to be so dry. Just add in and then mix with the rest of the food until your tomatoes are soft, and by the time they're soft, the cabbages will as well be soft. Some meat curry powder, also for taste. You just have to keep on mixing the way I have told you to mix, from bottom to up, so that you don't mash our potatoes. Cabbage takes a short time to cook, so you don't have to worry about that. And remember, the rest of our food is fully cooked. So I'm just going to add in a little bit of the stock from our beef. Don't add in too much, because we don't want any sauce in this meal. We just need it to add moisture and to help us to cook our cabbage fully. You just have to keep on mixing so that the cabbages on top also get ready. In case of any comments, feel free to write them down below in the comments section. In case you like this meal, feel free and click the like button. So it's almost ready. I'm just going to season the cabbages with a little bit of salt. It's a pinch of salt, and mix everything together. The aroma from the beef, from the onions, it's all nice. It has filled my kitchen. I've just finished plating. This is how it looks like, and trust me you guys, it is very tasty. This combination is the best. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana.